Removing Kajal can be a challenge, but it doesn't have to be. First, let's talk about coconut oil. Just a few drops on your fingertip or a cotton pad, and it melts away the Kajal while moisturizing your skin. For a quick fix, micellar water is a game changer. Just press a cotton pad against your closed eyes for a few seconds, then wipe gently from the inner to outer corner. If you prefer something soothing, aloe vera gel works wonders. Apply a bit around your eyes, let it sit for a minute, and then wipe it away with a damp cotton pad. Milk is another great option. Its hydrating properties help lift stubborn Kajal effortlessly. And don't forget petroleum jelly. A small dab on your eyelids can break down even the toughest formulas. To prevent smudging, use a cotton bud dipped in coconut oil or micellar water for those tricky spots. Always double cleanse with a gentle face wash afterward, and remember to be gentle, no harsh rubbing. Keep your eyes healthy and beautiful by removing Kajal the right way.